Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to activate your Qlink SIM card for 2025. If you're new here or just got your hands on a Qlink SIM, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but we'll break it down step by step so you can get connected quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll require your Qlink SIM card, a compatible unlocked phone, and access to the internet, either via Wi-Fi or another device. Also, have your account details handy, like your Qlink phone number and any activation code that came with your SIM. Step 1. Insert the SIM card into your phone. Power off your device, locate the SIM tray, usually on the side, and gently pop it out with a SIM tool or a paperclip. Place the SIM card in the tray with the gold contacts facing down, then slide it back in and turn your phone on. Once it's booted up, you might see a notification about a new network. Next, head over to the Qlink website or open the Qlink app. Go to the activation page. It's usually at qlinkwireless.com/activate. Here, you'll enter your SIM card's ICC ID number, which is printed on the card itself, along with your device's IMEI number. You can find the IMEI by dialing *#06# on your phone. Double-check these details to avoid any errors. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to provide any additional information, like your zip code, personal details, or eligibility verification if you're using a government program like Lifeline. Once everything is entered, hit the Activate button. Your phone should connect to the network within a few minutes. Give it some time to register. If you run into issues, like no signal or activation errors, try restarting your phone or checking for any service outages on Qlink's website. Remember, customer support is available via chat or phone if you need help. And there you have it. Your Qlink SIM card is now activated and ready for 2025. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.